two people eat the same food, do the same workout, but one tends to gain weight and one stays slim. Have you ever thought why? This could be your trillions of bacteria in the gut which are leading to this. Inside your digestive system, you have about trillions of bacteria which we call gut microbiome. Now this gut microbiome is not something which just is static there. These do a lot of work, from digestion of your food to absorption of the nutrition to controlling metabolism, your sleep, even your age is a marker of the variety you have in the bacteria which are there in your gut. In 2006, Jeffrey Gordon's lab did an experiment. They took gut microbiome from an obese mice and they took gut microbiome from a thin mice. And both these mice were given the exact same food and they did exact same activity. But the results were shocking. But the mice that received the gut microbiome from obese mice became very fat, while the mice which received the gut microbiome from the thin mice actually lost weight and became very slim and thin. So you know what this showed? Gut bacteria alone can be the reason for you being obese. Shocked? So if we see how can we divide this gut bacteria in our body in two parts. One is firmicutes, one is bacteroids. And studies have shown that in obese people, you have more firmicutes than bacteroids. Now there is a third probiotic group also which is being really talked about, and that is Akkermansia. Ratio of these three groups is exceptionally important if you want to stay thin. So first thing I want to tell you is stop struggling with your diet plans and the food you eat. Whereas focus on the ratio of this firmicutes, bacteroids, Akkermansia in your gut health, and then plan how you want to lose your weight. Further investigation was done and researchers actually found out the specific bacteria which are found in more dominance in obese people. Which are these? Lactobacilli reuteri, Fusobacteria, Proteobacteria and molecules. Generally, when the gut microbiome is studied for obese people, these are the bacteria which are found high in number. And what these bacteria do? They increase the body fat in your body, they increase insulin resistance, and they lead to metabolic dysfunction. Just these few bacteria can do all of this, and you are sitting with your head strained. Why am I insulin resistant? Why am I fat? Why don't I have enough muscle mass? Why do my parameters show as if I have metabolic dysfunction? There are bacteria which protect you against obesity. These bacteria, they improve your metabolism, they reduce inflammation, and they strengthen the gut lining. So generally, scientists have come to the conclusion that these gut bacteria, what they do, they actually take out more calories from the food we eat, which increases energy absorption, which means that your body extracts more calories and therefore you become fat. Second, increased fat storage. Gut bacteria, they influence a lot of hormones. Your insulin, your leptin, your GLP-1. Now these hormones, they affect your hunger, your fat storage and your metabolism. And therefore, these gut bacteria actually change what is happening inside your body. And third is chronic inflammation. These gut bacteria have the capacity to release endotoxins in your body, and these toxins, they trigger low-grade inflammation, which leads to weight gain. So microbiome diversity has been found to be one single very, very important marker to make sure that you don't gain weight. How do we do this? We suggest that you eat 7 colors in your plate every time. You add a lot of polyphenols in your diet so that you have good metabolism, you have less inflammation, and you have less obesity risk. So remember, obesity is not only about calories. Obesity is not only about your diet or the exercise you do. Obesity is about your gut microbiome. And this gut microbiome actually decides how your hormones work, how much toxins the microbiome releases in the body, and how is your metabolism. So focus at the right thing and achieve your results quickly and have sustainable weight loss.